Landslides in the Pacific Northwest are becoming increasingly common. They are caused by erosion and accumulation of water and can be caused by seismic events. The Pacific Northwest is especially vulnerable because of the high amount of rainfall it receives every year, helping to saturate the ground. A wetter January than normal this year caused many landslides in western Washington state, blocking roadways and causing property damage. Climate change is projected to cause wetter areas of the country to become wetter in the future. This is especially important to note in the Pacific Northwest because it receives a lot of rainfall and will receive more in the future. This will in turn increase the water table and more of the ground will be saturated. This will lead to more landslides because the ground will be weakened and especially on slopes can cause landslides. If large masses of ground are saturated and unstable because of the increased rainfall, the magnitude of these landslides will only increase. This will put populations of people in danger. Landslides often take out roadways, and if a landslide sweeps across a major roadway, there can be serious loss of life. Also, communities built on or around landslide-prone areas are especially vulnerable and can be wiped out if enough additional rainfall in the right conditions trigger a